Hi everybody, I'm here today to show you my Babbage journal that I've been working on for some time. It is a steampunk themed journal, and we'll see what Babbage means in just a minute as we take a look at it. First, I just want to show you it's about a 2-inch spine, and it has a chain closure. So you open it using the little clip here, and you can change the size of it. There's you can see it right here, a little lobster claw down here that you can make the chain smaller or bigger depending on how much you want to write and stuff into this beautiful journal, although it is pretty thick as we get started anyway. So here it is. It has a handmade cover painted on some fabric, and I have some ephemera, some metal gears and clocks and things sewn onto the front, and they're a little bit loose there. And then also on the back, I have some more sewn on there as well. So let's open it up and see. So Charles Babbage was a mathematician in the late 1800s. And he is actually the one who is credited for coming up with the idea for a digital programmable computer. So I thought that fit very well with our steampunk theme. He was probably pretty steampunk with his ideas of technical things and being in the late 1800s like he was. So this is from a little book, this little card, and there's some information about his analytical calculating machine, which I think is just so cool. And so there's a double pocket in the front here. So one has the Babbage information, and then there's also just a small Ex Libris card there right in the front with some postcards, and there's another little gear there. And so let's go ahead on to the pages. So as we go through, some of these pages I designed myself, and some of the other pages that you'll see, which I'll point out, were done by Artie Mays. She has a beautiful steampunk kit that I absolutely loved using in this. So here's some journaling cards in a little side pocket there. There's a tag and some tickets that also I designed. And then a little tuck spot on this side with a journaling card. And this is one of the Artie Mays pages. They're just yummy with all the stuff on there, and they're brown and beautiful with the gears, and she's got some moths and stuff there. I just love them. And some tea-dyed papers and some tags. And I had gotten these little steampunk cards in some Happy Mail, and they have wonderful pictures of airships on them with little sayings, and some of them look like postcards on the back, which I think are really cool. And then this is also one of the Artie Mays pieces that came in her kit, and it's an envelope, and I have one of her note cards in there. And then this little altered paper clip with one of her tickets I thought was so cute to hold that on there. And then we have some lace on some of the pages, and some of the pages I just added some garment clips with some brass keys there that I thought were fun. Oops, I can turn one page at a time. And this one has a little tuck spot with another one of those cards that I got in Happy Mail. Tea-dyed pages. More tags there, and I turned this journaling card into a little tuck spot there. More Artie Mays pages. This book has 5 signatures, and there's about 20 pages in each signature, and there's 2 little cards in here. Another one of those that says create your own dream. I love the little crazy teapot there. And I also have some deli paper in here with some printings on it. So there's a little telescope on this one. I like how you can see through to the other pages. I have some music pages from an old book in there. I have another corner pocket here with some tickets. One of them is my ticket. One of them is Artie Mays' ticket that I just tucked right in there with the tab. And another cute Artie Mays journal card there with a time card on the back with some brads in the corners. Give it a little dimension. And a little small tag there with a beautiful Artie Mays pocket. And then here's a little belly band with a journaling card on it. And I just added some stickers on the back and some distressing. One more of my pages. A little tuck spot here with some fabric on there sewn on. And this is a little double pocket that I made. So I just put a ticket in there and a little card from the paper pack that I was using. And I think there's some graph paper on the back that could be written on. And I put a little tab on there on the top to make it easy to pull out. And then another tag from Artie Mays. And here's a little tuck spot that's open. You could put something in there if you wanted to. And the other side of the deli paper. And here's a little tuck spot. And I just have some tags on here with some tea-dyed paper. But this little piece here, this is a little pocket. So it's held by a magnet. So if you close it, it'll tap close all by itself. And then there's two little pockets in the side here. And I did add a couple of extra little tickets in here. I just kind of threw them in. But you could put receipts or, you know, something small in there if you wanted to. Little handwritten notes. And an Artie Mays page and one of my pages. I was trying to keep a purple theme for this. I thought I liked the purple colors, so that's why a lot of my stuff is purple. And this is an Artie Mays card. And one of my pockets there. And another collaged pocket here. And another note card right in there. Another pocket. More tickets, more note cards. So lots of places to write. This is a little baggie in here, and there's a journal card in the baggie there that you can just tuck right in there. And then another pocket here with a tag. I love this old light bulb. I think that's really cool. And you can write on the back or the front. It's pretty light. And some more tickets. There's an altered paper clip here with using Artie Mays' banners in that steampunk kit. And this is the other half of the bag. And I just put a little like invoice here. And this was also out of the paper pack that I had used for some of this. And another tuck spot here with just a little journal card. A pocket here. I love this phrenology image here. I think that looks so cool. Definitely steampunkish. And a tuck spot here on the side with another little card. More pages. Another pocket here. And another small tag. And another Artie Mays note card there. I love that little guy there. And another tuck spot here. Some more deli paper. And some pages. This is a received from little label there that I glued on. And another corner pocket here with a square journal card. And some more tickets. I love this little ticket with the aquatic toy on it. I think that's so cute. That's from Artie Mays. And then just some regular lined paper. Here's actually a bigger version of that aquatic toy as a note card. I love it. And then I just have some stamping on here. And the other side of that deli paper with some gears. And here's a collaged pocket with a tag in it. And I love this yellow fringe yarn here. It makes it look like it's going crazy, like a mathematician would probably. Some more dangles on the side here. And more pages. Some stickers that I added that are in my steampunk kit. And another collaged pocket with another tag. Corner pocket with a small journal card there and some more tickets. Tickets are my favorite right now. I love them. And there's a big picture of that phrenology image that I had shown you before. And some more pages. The Artie Mays tag. And a corner pocket. And look at these great, I don't know, airships and things in the sky. They're awesome. And then, whoops, I missed this page. Didn't I? Yes, this page. So this was one of those postcards, and I made it into a little side pocket with one of the Artie Mays cards here. I'll just tuck that right in there. And another altered paper clip. And this is another one of Artie Mays's envelopes. And this one I just left empty for you to fill with whatever you would like. And then another sticker with a little airship on there. And then the last page here has a paper clip with this little pull-out envelope pocket page here. So there's 3 pockets on this side. So I have one of the cards in the bottom pocket, and I didn't put anything in the middle pocket. And then in the top pocket here, I have a little note card from Artie Mays. And then when you go on this side, this piece of deli paper is actually one of Charles Babbage's drawings for one of his machines. So actually, I think I have it upside down. There we go. I thought that was really cool. So that is included right there for your reference in case you are looking to build an adding machine. You'll have the drawings right there, ready to go. And then that's the last page and the back part of the book with the chain, of course, that has several medallions on them and a little thing at the bottom. And that was my Babbage journal. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos coming soon. I'm going to be linking to all the kits that I used in this journal down below, and the Babbage journal that you saw here will be in my Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing it. Thanks for watching.